Hi everyone! It is our responsibility to ensure IMU is clean and safe. So, here is how we disinfect our workstation. Let's start off by wearing a pair of disposable gloves. For non-electronic surfaces with high touch points, such as tables, chairs, light switches, phones, teaching equipment, and etc., spray the surface with disinfectant and wipe it dry with paper towels or cloth. Or, wipe them with soap water and dry them with paper towels or cloth. Immediately dispose paper towels into the trash bin, wash the cloth, and dry. For electronic equipment such as keyboards, monitors, or remote controls, wipe them using alcohol-based wipes and then use paper towels or cloth to wipe them dry. Or, you can also use sprays containing at least 70% alcohol and wipe the surface dry with paper towels or cloth. Immediately dispose paper towels into the trash bin, wash the cloth, and dry. Once you're done, carefully remove your gloves and immediately dispose them into the trash bin. Immediately wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. If your hands are visibly dirty, always wash with soap and water. Remember, if any chemical splashes into your eyes or if you accidentally rub your eyes while handling the chemical, immediately flush your eyes with running tap water for at least 15 minutes and seek medical treatment if needed. This message was brought to you by International Medical University, IMU.